This wine heated with spices is called mulled wine. It's known to support immunity, prevent colds, and relieve fatigue. How about adding Korean Red Ginseng Extract to it today? Wash the ingredients with baking powder under running water. First, slice up an orange and a lemon. Also, slice up some ginger. Cut a grapefruit into quarter slices. Next, slice up an apple. Separate the pomegranate seeds. The ingredients are now ready. Ooh, just imagine all of these ingredients all together. Pour a bottle of red wine into a pot and boil it. It's time to put everything we prepared earlier into the pot. Put them in nice and slow. Star anise, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and today's special ingredient, Korean Red Ginseng Extract, is ready to dive in. Stir until it's well mixed. Now, boil it for 30 minutes. Is it time to serve already? Pour the mulled wine into a bottle. That fruit smells sweet. The pomegranate will be the last step. It's time to enjoy. Stay warm with mulled wine and try adding Korean Red Ginseng Extract. We highly recommend it. If you have any questions or tips, please share them in the comments below.